Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers cheap Springdale local and long-distance movers near me. We offer different types of moves in Springdale, Arkansas. Residential moves in Springdale, Arkansas. When it comes to moving to a new house, you'll need the help of a moving company with plenty of experience handling residential relocations. For example, 3 Movers has successfully performed numerous moves in the past. We are well versed in all aspects of relocating a person to a new residence. We essentially wrote the book on home relocations. Local moves, long-distance moves, and even international moves are some of the sorts of moves we handle under the residential umbrella. So if you need to change your place of residence, we are exactly the company you are looking for. We'll send someone over to your home to do an inspection and get you a free quote as well. Office/commercial movers in Springdale, Arkansas. The most typical form of moving project is the residential one, and as such, they tend to be relatively straightforward. In contrast to moving home possessions, commercial moves entail relocating an office or corporation. They may not be well known, but it does not diminish their significance. They are, in fact, significantly more sensitive than the typical maneuver. This is because any delay in a commercial move means a delay in restarting the office, which might cause problems. If you're moving an office, make sure you hire a company that has experience with business relocations, such as 3 Movers. Military movers in Springdale, Arkansas. If you are in the military or have family members who are, you are aware that relocation is a typical occurrence in the military. PCS orders are a popular type of relocation order. As a result, the government does everything it can to make it easy for people and their families to move around the country. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.